What should I do when I see signs of sex addiction in myself?
I'm of the belief that the first thing you do is just don't deny it. Just don't bring shame upon yourself. Don't use words like I'm a bad person or I'm a fool or I'm an idiot. Don't moralize yourself, and sort of stand outside of yourself if you can and sort of say, I'm human and I have some leanings. This is just my leaning, and see if you can sort of chart it and watch it and observe it. If again if it starts to escalate, then there's a certain set of sort of processes you probably should get involved with, such as therapy, and start talking to a professional. But I believe that if more people could step out of this diseased notion or this moral notion that we've been inundated with by the medical community, there could be more self-corrective actions the individual could take to rechannel these propensities in a healthier, less destructive way.